chicken cooking here. Get it with a little bit more oil. This is the only time, gotta turn the oil on. Only time to use the oil, avocado oil. We got our Irish butter here. So every time you flip the chicken, you hit it with some garlic salt. Now we're gonna put our eggs on. So I'm gonna flip this chicken real quick. Everybody nice and happy here. Push it up a little bit. It's kind of our scraping area here. Put that right back in there if you want. It's all goodness. Now, we go over here and give us some Irish butter. Okay, from here on out, we're going Irish butter. Get it on there. Yep, that was great. Bloopers 101. There you go. Chicken out of the way. We're going to be about a little more than a quarter heat. Side burners, you're going to have them on low heat. We're going to be moving some stuff around here. You'll see in a minute. Everybody likes butter, right? Okay. Now, eggs are going on. It's alright, it's all poultry. Keep it mixed. Guys up. Get chicken out of there. Alright, remember it's all poultry. Just gonna chop this all up, kind of scramble it. Cook for a bit. I didn't want you guys to miss out here, so I'm turning the veggies. Everybody's got a little bit of butter on them, and we're getting them nice and cooked up. You got a ways to go, though. Got a ways to go. I know what you're thinking. It's a lot of vegetables, but vegetables are good for you. Okay? I do mine a little heavy on the veggies. I'm a vegetable fan. You can cut down your portions. We're still kind of working on this with the portions and trying to figure out what works best. But the cool thing is the more the merrier of everything, right? Because it's good leftovers. So we're at this point here, we're cooking our veggies, and this stuff's sitting on the sideline. Still warm. Still warming. We'll put it all together and mold it all together very soon. Put a little bit more butter in this mix here. Good old Irish butter. Bam. That's why you need a paper towel. Get yourself a nice paper towel, wipe yourself off here. Alright, here we go. A little Irish butter in the mix here. Take a little spot for it. Let it melt down. Irish butter is a lot tastier in my opinion. It's all opinion. It's a little more expensive, but definitely worth it. Now we're going to mix it into the, mix that all up. Remember, it's fried rice. You can't fry something without a little oil or butter or etc. Spread them out real nice and thin so they can cook evenly and effectively. There you go. I know what you're thinking, a lot of vegetables. Maybe not, this stuff cooks down. And one guy we don't want in there. There we go. Alright. Let this cook a little longer. I'm going to turn up the temp on this. Just a hair. Some temperature out of this. Get these guys all cooked. Right now they're not even close to ready. I need about another 10 minutes, I'm thinking, on this deal. It smells really good, and I wish I could transfer the smell to your TV. But unfortunately, you have to come over for dinner to do so. Anyways, catch you in a minute. Alright. Usually when you do a cook like this, and it's 113 today, I believe. Let's see what the phone says. Let's see here. 113, I'm guessing. Let's see. Let's see. Excuse me. 115 degrees in Lake Havasu City. So you sweat a little bit. So of course you need an ice cold beer. Super Cat Fest, River Dave's place. Ice cold beer. Got my helper over here. He doesn't like the heat much. We're gonna go swimming later today. That's what he's really wanting to do. He doesn't understand why he can't go swimming all the time. So the vegetables are looking really good right now. I'm gonna get in here and we're gonna give them a couple more turns. Everybody's looking really happy here. Smells really good. Everybody's happy. Starting to soften up a little bit. Not soften up, but actually cook. So spread it out a little bit. You see some color there. That's what you want to see. You want to see a little color, okay? Now remember, when you put this on the side, what I'm going to do, see, look at that guy. Oh yeah. I'm going to put this on the sideline here in a minute, and I'm going to get the rice, and that's another, it's a whole nother deal. It's a different, you're cooking all these different, you got egg, chicken, poultry, better like chicken. Got the veggies. So I'm going to let these cook for a little bit longer. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Vegetables are looking really good right now. So you want to clean your grill. Get all that stuff out of the way. Because I use, for the rice part, I use jasmine rice. It's not as starchy. Tastes a little better. We'll get into that just a minute. So now I'm gonna have to set the camera down because this is a two-hand job. So you guys can kind of see what's going on. It's also a few beer job, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna hit the grill here with some butter. Let me go a little more butter than before. We've got a lot of rice. Some of this is melted here. Okay. There we go. Leave that right there. I'm going to spread that around a little bit. A big area to put on here now. So part of the deal with the rice is you want to do it the day before is best. Do it the day before. And you get it nice and cold. That way it doesn't clump together when you put it on the grill. Okay? So we're going to bring this all together here. I'm going to grab this tub of rice. It's 3 cups. I know what you're thinking. It's a lot of rice. A lot of rice. But remember, leftovers are great. So, alright. This is the fried rice part. The exciting part. It's like going to a hibachi restaurant, right? So, get that stuff nice and oily. Turn it nice and oily. We're even going to go here. Make a little room. I'm going to put more butter on it. Yep. There we go. Everybody loves butter, right? I know what you're thinking. So here we go. Mix all this together. Spread it around. Fried rice. Jasmine fried rice. Good stuff. There's our butter. Still rocking along with that. Don't worry about it mixing with the other stuff now because we're going to be mixing all this together here real soon. See that? Those veggies are condensed. Biggest thing with the rice is you want to spread it around. That's the butter right there. Just spread it around. Kind of, remember it's fried rice, okay? There we go. And it smells unbelievable. We're going to turn this a lot. Okay? There we go. Kind of makes you feel like you're using one of these Blackstones, kind of like cheating. Kind of like using a pellet grill, as they say. But I love my pellet grill. And, you know, it's all good. You're gonna leave some stuff on the ground here, whatever. It is what it is. So our fried rice consists of 4 eggs, 4 chicken breasts, 3 cups of jasmine rice, Irish butter, squash, zucchini, a little bit of garlic, and green onion. Be right back. All right, we're back on the scene here. Chicken fried rice. Kind of just chop everything up here and spread it around. I turned my temperature up a little bit on the rice because we're at a little low. You know, the whole thing about this is it's a deal where you got to learn the grill. This grill, I've only cooked on this grill probably 5 or 6 times. So I'm still learning the grill, the process. But I have not had a failure yet as you know, cooking on this. Not saying I'm a pro or anything, but it's just really fun. You know, I like going to the Japanese restaurant, dropping, you know, $300-400 on a dinner and watching the sideshow of the onion on fire, etc., etc. I'm not, you know, I'll probably still do that, but I learned a lot from those guys, and you can hear it sizzling. We're frying rice now. Jasmine rice doesn't turn colors like your white rice, but it doesn't have as much starch in it. Okay, so our temperature is really, we're about A little over half. Nothing on the sides. But you gotta remember it's a skillet, so it's still cooking, right? So I'm gonna give this another 5 minutes. And then we're gonna mix everything together, the funnest part. I'm gonna have to set the camera down, put it over here on my smoker, my Rectech smoker, one of the best smokers I've ever owned in my life. Makes anybody professional pretty much. Some people call it cheating, I call it eating. So anyways, here's what we got going on. Blackstone 4-burner grill, okay? 4-burner grill, chicken fried rice. All right, we're back. Everything's looking really good. The rice is fried up, everything. So kind of like Marty Robbins said, you can see size difference in the spatulas. So here we go. Big iron on your hip. That's basically what I'm referring to. Okay, so now we're going to bring everything together. This is a fun part of the whole deal. Grab your vegetables, bring them in. Bring everybody together and make them all happy. Okay? Wish you guys could smell it. So, the biggest thing is mixing everything, okay? It's really not that hard. You know, I'm still a rookie. I probably made it look harder than it really was, but try to make it as simple as possible for you guys. Mix everything together. Believe me, it's worth the time and the preparation of the food, the ingredients, excuse me, you know, to make everything melt together. Okay, now we're going to spread it around a little bit. Okay, let everything kind of just melt together, okay? Just like that. Sorry I can't flip the tools like, you know, they do at the hibachi grill or whatever. There you go. You can add whatever you want. You can if you don't like squash or zucchini, you can just use the corn and peas. You can even put cheese on it if you want it. It doesn't matter. However you want to do it. But that's my process. What's been working for me on my couple of cooks, not many. Just a couple cooks, okay? It's all together. Take your stuff off your spatula and kind of just let it all just cook together, marinate, and everybody's happy, right? That's it. That's pretty much it. A lot of guys do this on the YouTube and make it look a little more difficult than it really is. To tell you the truth, watch a lot of videos, and a lot of guys kind of try to over-engineer everything. But what I'm going to do, again, one more time, I'm going to hit it with a little more soy. Okay? You can tell it likes it. I'm going to hit it with a little bit more garlic salt. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Okay? I'm going to flip it again one more time. Just get the flavor going.